Right, screwfix. Check this out. Let's see what we've got in here. So I'm guessing it's something new. That's on the market. And I'm guessing it's something to do with plumbing. Right, let's open this up. Woo! Little note in there. Tyson, it's time to upgrade to Flowmaster. Come on. Trust us, the quality speaks for itself. Long-lasting, trustworthy product with extended warranties, all at a fraction of the cost compared to market leaders. Showcase your experience with Flowmaster and share the savings with your followers. Get connected. Screwfix.co.uk. Right, I'll be the judge of that. Woo! So that looks like a magnetic filter, inline scale reducer, and some inhibitor. Rad valves, so more rad valves. There's like tower radiator valves, that motorized valves for 2-port valve as well. Hopefully that's nice and reliable. Inhibitor! Alright, let's open this one up as well. One of these. There we go, inline scale reducer, central heating cleaner, and inhibitor as well, so another inhibitor. Our little drain off. And then that's the filter there. Right, lovely. Nice one, Screwfix.